Hello guys, I'm Haardik Tyagi from Creative Velo 19BC0793. Today I'm going to teach you about a basic how to create a basic dashboard in Tableau. So when you open Tableau, this is the main basic screen which will appear to you in front of you. So the main thing whenever you want to create a dashboard in Tableau is basically you have to get a data set. So data set you can download from anything. You can make a data set of anything. So you can add that from Microsoft Excel, the sample store open like this. But I've already installed one data set. This software. So our data set is basically this. These are all the dimensions which are there in our data set, starting from order ID, order date, ship mode, customer name, and everything, country, region. The main thing in this data set will be this profit, which we'll be using for making all the graphs and everything. So yeah, let's start. First, we'll start by this sheet one. So in this sheet one, we'll put this. First, we'll make the sheet. We'll create by for profit by category. Yeah. So this is profit by category. For this, we will take this category to rows and subcategory to rows. So this table will look like this, and the main thing which we have to compare, which is profit. So we'll put in this column. So yeah, obviously we don't want to see a table, but we want to see a bar chart. For this, we'll click on this bar chart. Okay, the bar chart looks like this. So this bar chart is all in blue color. We can change the color. We can do this by clicking on this, press Control and drag it to color. So yeah, this color changes, which shows that the negative profit is in orange color and then positive profit is in blue color. We try to make it like good, so we can change the colors. I will change it to my personal favorite, which is red, green, diverging. We will check that if the center is at 0, we'll check by this. So yeah, this shows clearly that the red thing is in negative profit and the green things are in the positive profit. So this is basically a profit by category, and we'll create one more sheet by clicking on this option. We will rename it to profit by state. This is basically a geographical tool which will show you like what is the distribution of profit among the different states of our data set. So for that, we'll click on location, this state, we'll drop it here. So this is basically the geographical tool. This is the distribution of states in our data set. And the main thing which we want to compare is profit. We'll also do this. So this profit is also like in this, but we obviously don't want to see it in a geographical tool. So we'll drag it to color. So yeah, this is basically the distribution of profit among the different states in our data set, which shows the orange has the most negative profit and the blues are comparatively better profits. So we change the color, obviously to my personal favorite, which is red. Oh, sorry, red, green, diverging. We check if the center is 0. Okay, yeah. So this shows that the red colors are the negative profits and the green colors are the positive profits. So this shows our distribution of profit among different states. Okay, so these are the two sheets which we have created. One more sheet we'll create by clicking on this, and we will rename it by profit by manufacturer. Sorry, yeah. So this is the profits by manufacturer. For this, we will drag this manufacturer to columns, and then we will take up main thing the profit to this. So this goes like this. Obviously, we want to see a bar chart, so we click a bar chart. We can easily swap this bar chart by this option, and we can see this. This is not a complete view, so we can see the complete view by clicking here, the entire view. So yeah, these are all the manufacturers, and these are all the net profits of these manufacturers. So yeah, we this is obviously in completely in blue. We don't want this. We can change the colors by control. So change it by our favorite red green diverging, checking if the center is 0. Yeah. So this is basically profits. The positive profits are in green for the manufacturers and negative in this. By looking at this graph, we can also infer many things, like we want to see the which manufacturers have the least profits, the highest profits, and like that. That we can do by sorting and filtering. So we'll sort. So after sorting this field ascending, so this graph looks much better. These are in from negative most profit to the positive most profit. So this goes like this, and this graph looks obviously much better. So if you want, this is the whole graph which with all the manufacturers. But if you want to like see the bottom ones or the only the top ones, we can view it like this. Just go click on filter. Filter, we'll use all top by field. From here, this is from top to bottom, but we want to see the bottom most profit people. So bottom, we'll select 30 and okay. So basically, this is the profit of the bottommost 30, like in order of the manufacturer. These are the manufacturers which have the least profits in order. So yeah, we can also compare like different categories in a graph. Like for example, if I take this quantity, we can check the quantity versus profit. Like to make it look good, we'll drag it from here to here. Okay, so basically this is the quantity one and this is the profit one, which shows that the amount of items which we have sold with respect to their profits. So this will be like only 13 quantity has been sold and the profit was minus 12,720. So this okay, so we don't want to confuse our viewers, so we'll change this color of the quantities so that it doesn't look like the same. By this we can remove this, so gray looks good. Okay, so for gray, basically it shows this is the quantity sold by this 10x and the profit was minus 594. So yeah, this all is fine. This is pretty much good, and these are the different sheets. So we can add now, we will add all these sheets into a dashboard. So for adding a dashboard, we click here. This is the dashboard. This is basically the dashboard screen. So the main thing about dashboard is you have to make it look attractive and good. To make it look attractive, we will sort it by size. So like the main important thing will be to sort it by size. So for this, as it is a basic tutorial, I will just simply choose generic desktop, and this is the size of the dashboard of a generic desktop. So the two main options are tiled and floating. Floating means like if you can drag this and like you can easily rotate it from here to here, but this is the one which I personally don't like, so I will just remove it. The one I like is tiled. In this basically this looks if we use this tool, our dashboard looks pretty good. So we will drag it like this. As you can see, it will cover the whole screen now. So this is basically again the standard view if you want to see the entire view. So this is the profit by category which has come into our dashboard. So yeah, we can this is the legend which had been used to make all these graphs. So we'll remove it. When we add profit by state, you can see all these gray, we can add it anywhere we like. So we'll add it here. This is basically the geographical tool which we made in the sheet 2. This is also the legend which has been used to make this, and we'll remove it. And the third one, profit by manufacturer, we can add it here. So yeah, this is to make it look good. We'll remove this also. So yeah, this is basically our dashboard, and you can do pretty many things like here, like you can just go here, just click here and use a filter. Like if you want to see the all the graphs which if you want to see the tables in all the graphs, you can just by clicking on it, you can see that the distribution of tables in the geographical street and the manufacturer and everything. You can also select this one, which will show this and the manufacturers, and this is the manufacturer which has a negative profit for this. So we can do this for different for this also. We can use as filter, and you can select the state and the different, all these graphs are interconnected, so things like this will happen. Oh, sorry. So we'll remove this filter. And so this is a basic tutorial for making a dashboard, and I hope you like this. So thank you very much.